From a success to a disaster, I am going to show you the whole process of developing a recipe, different options of making it, and which one I liked most. I saw recipes for microwavable cups, but as usual, they do not have enough protein, even though they claim to be high protein. I know I can make this recipe a bit better. So I started with an egg and a banana. I probably should have started with the banana and then add the egg, but rookie mistake. I will make it as easy and lazy as I can make it. So I will just scramble the egg and roughly mash the banana. I have a 3.25 ounces banana here. It does not matter to have this exact weight. If it is a bit bigger or smaller, it will just give a slightly different texture, probably not noticeable at all. And you can adjust that with adding more or less oats. Just have to figure out what texture you like most. What matters is how ripe the banana is. It has to be very ripe because it will sweeten the dessert. I won't be adding any additional sugar besides adding a bit of chocolate. A banana that is getting brown spots has a perfect sweetness. To that, I'm going to add my protein boost, which is low-fat cottage cheese. For now, I will add just 4 ounces. It's a half a cup. Because the recipe I used had no cottage cheese, so I do not know what disaster I may create here. I will add a bit of oats. The goal is to add as little as possible to achieve nice gooey texture and great taste with the least calories possible. I got here almost 2 ounces, 1.86 ounces to be exact. A little bit of chopped chocolate or chocolate chips. By a little, I mean 7 to 10 grams, which is half a tablespoon or so. I will microwave the first cup for 1 minute and 30 seconds first and see how it goes. I added a minute and got this texture. Not jiggly, nice and gooey. Wow, it's so good. I am blown away. Such simple ingredients. But I see I can add more cottage cheese and get away with it. More cottage cheese, more protein, more volume. It is pretty dense and I can afford having it a bit looser. So let's add 2 ounces of cottage cheese and repeat the process. But first, let's also try to air fry it and see what I can get from that. So for the air fryer, 390 degrees Fahrenheit. So I will fry it for 4 minutes and check the texture. It looks dark on top. Let's check the inside. Oops, too early. Looks very runny and it is barely warm inside. So back to the air fryer and I will let it run for 7 minutes or so. Now this is perfect. Nice and gooey. I think I like this one better than the microwave one. I have a bit of butter left, so I will throw this in the microwave for 1.5 minutes and see what the difference is with a bit more cottage cheese that I added. I believe this one is better than the denser one with less cottage cheese. Gosh, this is so good. Unbelievable. So this is how the process goes. Now, I will work on polishing this recipe and adjust the ingredients to my final one, but that's for the next video.